Welcome to Hydraulic Press channel. Today we are going to try crush this adamantium ball, and it is by far the hardest bearing ball type of thing that we have crushed, and you have to know some really strange people to get hold of one of these, so I'm very excited about this one, but I think I'm going to just place it here and let's see. And here we go. What the fuck? It's not doing anything. We have 150 bars and we didn't do shit. So let's crank the machine up and use 300 bars. And I think it didn't explode, so let's rise the tool up and have a look. Holy fucking shit, what happened there? So the ball is deep inside of my hardened tool, and I spent a whole day making of this, so thanks very much. And I think it's stuck there, and now you're gonna take it out. And I haven't seen anything go into the hardened steel like this, so it's really tough. And I think I have to make new tool for the next one. So the adamantium ball didn't explode or get destroyed, but luckily we have our friend here with these sharp adamantium things, which should be much more interesting. So here we go. So let's go with the full power. Holy shit! I think you are stuck there. What the fuck? No, you are not. That was strange. Holy shit, that was intense. I have no idea what happened there. Yeah, it actually cut it into 4 pieces. The steel base plate is in 4 pieces, which is really strange. And holy shit, they are clean cuts. Yeah, these are all different pieces. Now that adamantium stuff has to be really tough shit to be able to do this. And sharp also. Yeah, but I think we don't have any more tools to crush, so we have to stop here. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. And for today's extra content, we have this saber-tooth tiger. It has really sharp and large teeth, and it can attack with them at any moment. So we must deal with him.